Did I actually pay $275 for this? Oh my God, I think I did. Hi everyone, welcome back to Julie Beauty. I'm Julie. Today, as you can see, I already have most of my face makeup done. I wanted to show you a few new products that are new to me, and that is Charlotte Tilbury. So as you all know by now, I'm sure that Charlotte Tilbury is now offered at Sephora. So I went ahead and splurged on a set. It's called the Dolce Vita kit, I believe. So the Dolce Vita, the name comes from this eyeshadow quad right here. And everything that I got from Charlotte Tilbury came in this little makeup bag, which is so cute. And it has little lips on the back. I'm gonna just put this all on my face right now and show you what I got, and I'll give you my first impressions on everything. So if you'd like to see what I come up with this Dolce Vita kit, then please keep on watching, and don't forget to hit the like button before you leave. By the way, I already primed my lids with soft ochre paint pot, so let's get started. I'm so excited. First, I am going to take a MAC. My numbers are all worn off, but I think this is a MAC 252. Yeah, this is a MAC 252 brush, and I'm going to just make sure that this is all smooth, and I'm going to dip it into Prime, and this is number 1. These are not matte. They have a shimmer to them, which I really like. I was actually just watching a video by Chloe Morello, and it was all about the rules that she doesn't follow when it comes to the rules of makeup, and I completely agreed with pretty much, I think I agreed with everything that she said. And one of them was the question, why can I not put shimmer in my crease? And that is ridiculous to me. And if you actually saw, I'm not sure which award show Nicole Kidman was on, it was in the past year. So the look that Charlotte did on Nicole Kidman actually was shimmer all throughout her eyes, and I believe it was like a smoky blue even, and it looked stunning. So don't follow those rules. I don't believe that you should follow rules. You should just do whatever is comfortable for you. I'm going to take a Smashbox blending brush, and I am going to dip that into number 2, which is Enhance, which is kind of like a rusty, yeah, I would say kind of a rusty reddish color. And I'm going to place that in the crease. So when you spend this much money for eyeshadow, any kind of makeup, you sure do want it to blend beautifully, which it is. And at this point, I don't have anything left on my brush, right? I'm not re-dipping into that color, I'm just pulling it down. Now I'm gonna take a Smith 253, and I'm going to dip into this color right here, which is Smoke. And I'm gonna place that on the outer corner. I actually feel like on the other side, I'm gonna bring the rusty color down here first, just to give that more color and connect the two. Oh, I'm getting a lot of fallout. Ooh, good thing I put powder there. We'll see, hopefully it will just dust right off. Look at, I'm 47 in October, which is coming soon. And look at, when I push my eyelid, the wrinkle stays. Too funny. Okay, so now back into that smoke color, and I'm just gonna place that right over top of the, what is that called again? That is Enhance. I'm gonna put the smoke over the Enhance and build up the color in the outer corner. Pretty. And when I look in the monitor, I can see that I wanna, this again, this brush is empty, and I'm just gonna pull that color up a little bit and blend. So I've been trying soap brows. My mom's been here visiting all week, and she picked me up some Pears soap. I don't know if you've all seen that. I haven't quite mastered it yet. I actually placed the soap into my brows before I started this application, and then when I went to apply the foundation, it ruined my brows. So I'm not quite sure. I gotta get the hang of it first before I do it on camera. These are really easy to blend. Okay, now I'm gonna take Pop, which is this color right here, and I'm gonna use my finger for this, and I'm gonna place that right over the lighter color of my eye. I think I actually may wet this. Yeah, I think I might wet this. So I'm just gonna spray my finger and dip it in. Oh, that's pretty. So they're all very, very soft colors, which is exactly the type of makeup that Charlotte is known for. The goal for red carpet makeup is to make the artist, the actress, their own beautiful natural self, enhanced with a little bit of fashion. Does that make sense? So that's how I would approach red carpet makeup, and that's how I see she approaches the celebrity makeup. She is very fashion forward, obviously, but these celebrities are not walking around advertising her makeup. They're advertising themselves, and she's enhanced them. I'm gonna dip back into the lightest color here with a small brush, and I'm going to place that on the inner corner. I hear music. I don't know where I hear music from, but I don't think anyone's in this house. I'm gonna actually jump to brows now because I think everything looks funny without my brows done. I do have the MAC Shape and Shade Brow Tint, and this is in Lingering. So I've seen so many people use this. I love the idea of the pen. Again, I'm trying to master it because it is a little bit different than what I'm used to. But the bonus of this pen is that you can really create your brush strokes. And as my day went on yesterday, it was the first time I had actually used this product. A lot of the times my brows kind of fade off. Yesterday I just wasn't feeling that good, so I had played with my brows, but nothing else had been done. So of course, when you don't have any makeup on, I was just kind of rubbing my eyes a little bit. And I noticed that even though I was rubbing my eyes and not being so gentle with my face, this actually stayed on really nice. So little feather strokes. I'm a little worried about Lexi tonight. She's going to see her aunt in Montreal, which is a 2-hour drive, but the wind is so crazy here in Ottawa. I know she's a really safe driver, but still it makes me nervous. And anything that I do here that I need to clean up, I can just clean up with my foundation or concealer after. See, that's pretty. I don't know a whole lot of people that use this end of it. This is a shadow. I don't have any intentions of using the shadow. That looks pretty. Okay, so I like to kind of flick it like this. I know a lot of people flick it this way. Let's see if I can do it that way. Sure is a lot more comfortable on my wrist to do it this way, but I find when I do it that way, I kind of get a little bit more product down at the base than I want to. So I feel a bit more comfortable doing it this way. And I lightly press. I don't have to press really hard. Okay, so there's my brows done. I love, love, love this product. So if you're coloring like me and you're comfortable with your brows looking this color, then this is Lingering, just so you know. Now I'm gonna do the same thing on the bottom as I did on the top. So typically that's what I always do. I'm gonna take this rusty color right here and tap off the excess, because when I dig into that, that's pretty soft. And I'm going to, see, it fell down again. And I'm gonna just take that brush that's kind of empty right now and soften that out a little bit. This is a MAC 144 that I'm using, by the way. I think I dig into this product too much because you really don't have to dig that hard. Now looking at my brows up close, I can see where I need to fix them. I took that quite low down there, so I'm going to go ahead and bring this down lower as well. It's a lot easier than cleaning it up. Now I'm going to take that same 144 brush and dip into the smoke color and take that in closer to the lower lash line. Now I'm going to wipe this brush and I'm going to go into Pop. And I'm going to take that right in the center. Again, I'm going to wet my brush for this one and dip it into Pop and take that right into the center. Okay, I'm going to just take a little bit of Clarins concealer and pop that underneath my brow to clean that up. Okay, and now I'm going to take Feline Flick and just do a nice, I always try to do a nice thin line, but hopefully I can do it. Yeah, I want to keep it nice and thin so that I don't lose the lid space. It's this eye that I always have a hard time with. Now I'm going to curl my lashes and I'll try the mascara. I'm not a fan. I wonder if this is one of those mascaras that is better a few days after you open it. I like mine a lot fuller. Let's try a second coat. I feel like this is a mascara that my mom would like. It's building nice though. 2 coats, 1 coat. Wonder if the power is gonna go out tonight. The name of this mascara is Full Fat Lashes. I don't feel like I have full fat lashes. I'm gonna go ahead and use the Radiant Creamy Concealer by NARS this time. Just right in here. It never fails when I go to film. It's so hard, I find, to talk to a camera when I've got kids in the kitchen. I get so self-conscious. I found the foundation that I had on really looking dry and settling into lines. That was Too Faced Born This Way foundation, and sometimes it does that to me. So I just am going over it. I actually added a bit of moisturizer and I'm going over it with my Dior Face and Body, and hopefully it won't settle into the lines again. I can tell you I would not buy this mascara if it didn't come in the kit. There's nothing wowing me about this mascara at all. I'm gonna line my lips with Pillow Talk, obviously. I always fill it in. So there's Pillow Talk, and then I'm gonna take Penelope Pink. That's pretty. I wonder what this looks like. This is Seduction. When I have a nude lip like this, I generally like some kind of gloss over top of it because otherwise it looks very flat on me. So I'm liking that a lot. It's very comfortable to wear too, not sticky. My skin's looking a little bit better now that I used the Dior Face and Body. And now I'm going to go into Ecstasy, and I'm going to use a Smith Cosmetics 118. I'm just going to swirl that in the entire thing. Oh yeah, that's a nice color that's coming up on my brush. It's hard to see it on camera, I don't know why. And then let's pop that on. Oh, that's pretty. Wow, what a difference. Like when I swatched this blush on my hand, I thought, oh my God, that's not gonna show up at all. That is beautiful. Oh, I really like that. That's really pretty. has a little bit of a shimmer to it, so it's definitely got that glow. I'm just gonna take my brush and blend it out a little bit. I don't even think that needs a highlighter really, because it's got the shimmer in the blush. Oh, I do have to use a highlighter. I'm so sorry. I'm going to use the Bar of Gold palette. I actually really like this look without the highlighter because it does have that beautiful natural shimmer to it. But for the sake of the video, I am gonna go ahead. I'm gonna take a little bit of the lighter and a little bit of the rose gold, mix the two, and highlight. And that's very, very pretty, very, very soft. I'm just gonna take it down the center of my nose. Yeah, that's pretty. I don't really feel like I need this highlighter with this blush, but it is gorgeous. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, yeah, so bottom line, love it all basically. Mascara is and the Feline Flick is but everything else I absolutely love. I hope you like this look. I hope that that helps you in the future as far as your purchases go. So if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up button before you leave, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell so you are aware of upcoming videos. And thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.